How to use the AI change your style feature on your Samsung Gallery app for your S24 Ultra, right? So you have some photos, you want to kind of make a little difference here, make them kind of stand out or be a little bit creative with them. Here's where you can go to do this. So you'll need to go into your Gallery app, this one right here, which is your default Samsung Gallery app, and then you will look for the photo that you want to do this for. So maybe you'll go here now, and I want to go into one of these here. Okay, so I'll go here, and once in this section here, once you're viewing that photo, tap on the edit icon. Then this is going to happen, and you're now going to see these options to the bottom here. And go to where the circles are, these four little circles to the far right, tap on that here one time. Then you're going to see these options here and browse over like that until you see style. So it's kind of hidden. But once you enter into it here now, you can choose the different style. Okay, and this is just like a little quick creativity, and it's up to you to choose the style that you want that's right for you. Okay, and once you've made your selection here, you can now press done. And instead of just simply overwriting that photo, you can save the original one and then make a copy of the new style here by tapping on the those three dots at the right top here, and go to save as copy. That's going to create a copy and then keep your original photo. Okay, and that's that. Like and sub.